So picture this. You're at an interview and your interviewer asks you, what do you do at your current job? And you want to describe what it is you do every day, once a week, every month. So you have a structure that you have to use. And if you don't use it, you're not going to sound credible. But you'll also probably want to answer the question, and what are you working on at this moment? Not every day, not once a month, but right now. That is a different grammar structure. So we have to know how to use these grammar structures to sound credible and to bring on the meaning, right? The proper meaning. So if this is you, where you're getting a little confused with these grammatical structures, this video session is for you. My name is Dina Revid from Dina's English, to boss up your English, to boss up your life. So this is my tip of the day today. And let's look at the structure. So let's say you want to talk about what it is you do every day, okay, or twice a week. Twice a week. I meet clients twice a week. So let's look at the structure. Excuse my back. So we've got the subject, which is I, because I'm speaking about myself, right? I, plus the verb, that is what you do. So this is the action word. In this case, meet. I meet with clients, okay? And we're going to use a time word. So we call this a frequency word. In this case, twice a week, okay? Once again, the structure, subject, I, verb, meet with my clients, with clients, and your frequency word. How often do you do this? Twice a week. Simple, right? So let's not confuse it with another structure, and we'll get to that in a minute. Here's another example. Check my emails, okay? How often do you check your emails? So let's see what this person said. I check my email. I check my email every hour, okay? But, and this is the big but, what happens when I want to talk about something that I'm doing now, at the moment? It's a different structure. Look at this. But I am checking my emails at the moment. Don't bother me now. I'm checking my emails. Leave me alone. Or, hey, what are you doing? I'm checking my emails. Look at the structure. So we've got subject, still the subject is I, and then we add am, okay? Plus the verb, check, and then we add ing, because it's happening now at the moment, not on a regular basis. I'm talking about now at the moment. So we use the present continuous, okay, for this one, not the present simple. They seem to be simple, and you probably know them. You've probably learned them many years ago. You learned them maybe when you were in grade 4 or 5. Now's the time to brush up your English. Boss up your English to boss up your life. So this was one out of many series of videos that are going to help you with confusing structures, confusing vocabulary words, phrasal verbs. Please subscribe to my channel and put in your questions and your comments. I will answer all of your questions, and anything that you would like me to teach, I'll teach you, and I'll teach you live as well. We've got YouTube Live now. So see you next time. Bye-bye.